get you to please put your foot on the brake and hold the brake down and put it into reverse, keeping your foot on the brake. Then they're going to walk back there. They're going to make sure that everything's working back there. So like all the lights, the reverse lights, and go ahead and please put it back into park. And engage park. So.
Will they see that though?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So they're it's kind of like part of the test too.
Yeah,
so
that's interesting.
If you have the lever, they're looking for you to use it.
So you actually have to use the lever?
Yeah, the levers if you're using a car that has a lever.
Never used that. My dad's car has it, but I've never used it.
Yeah, most people don't use them. And then they'll get in the vehicle, they'll explain the road test, the rules of the game sort of thing. And then it takes about maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes or so from the time they walk out and do their circle check, get in. That's when the nerves start going like, okay man, let's just get this done and over with, right?
So scared for that day.
Yeah.
I stress about it to this day right now, and I don't even know when it's going to be.
Right. But, you know, I mean, it's between 8 minutes and 15 minutes of your time, of your life.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all. It goes by so quick.
Yeah, like even the 2 hours go by quick, so.
It's almost like going to the dentist, eh?
Yeah.
That kind of fear. You know, for me anyway, I hate going to the
I
dentist.
don't mind it. I used to hate it.
It's really not that bad these days. So, yeah, 8 to 15 minutes, and they don't test you on everything that you've done in the course. So they may skip a lot of the stuff. They'll only get you to do one of the 4 hill parking maneuvers,
Oh, really?
and a 3-point turn. Definitely. They may or may not do the parallel parking depending on.
I feel like they will.
Yeah, you're good at it though. So if they do, you know. And then that means that if they do ask you to do the parallel parking, they won't ask you to back into a space when you return to the road test center.
Really?
Yeah, they'll only ask you to do the forward
Actually,
parking.
I'd rather back into a parking spot.
Okay.
Just remember that better.
Yeah.
Unless there's no car there.
Yeah.
Will they tell me what parking spot?
Yeah. Yeah. They'll point at the parking space. Okay, so we're gonna start, and so I'll just pretend like I'm the examiner here. It's gonna be silent. They don't talk to you. So they'll,
Some
put
do.
you at ease. Some of them will chat a little
Yeah,
bit.
some do. I've heard my friends tell me that some of them talk, some of them
A
don't.
little bit, just to see if you're able to concentrate, on the job, on the task at hand, basically.
Yeah.